3 things to know about meditation. Number 1, meditation is about training your attention to be in the present. This can be done through focusing on the breath, bodily sensations, sounds, a mantra, or even thoughts themselves, with the aim of observing without judgment. It's a mental training that develops clarity, calmness, and presence. Number 2, consistency is more important than duration. Many beginners believe that they must meditate for long periods, but what matters most is regularity. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a significant impact if done consistently. Think of it like exercising a muscle. Frequency builds strength over time. Small, consistent steps lead to long-term transformation. And number 3, meditation reveals. It doesn't suppress. Meditation is not about escaping emotions or achieving bliss every time. Instead, it teaches you to gently turn toward your experience, including discomfort, with openness and curiosity. Over time, it fosters self-awareness, compassion, and emotional resilience. It's a space to meet yourself honestly, not to fix or change who you are.